Hello, very quick unboxing. This is the Ninja V from Atomos. It's an HDMI recorder. I'll take the plastic off first because it's got a very shiny outer shell on it. Let's get rid of that. So I'll flip the box over and I'll just hold it there so you can have a look at the back, which has got the specs on it, and then we'll get it open. Don't think I'll be needing the knife, so I'll move that out of the way. So it's got a really nice box. It's got a little magnet on it. Can you hear that clicking? So I'll just pull this little cord here and it opens up. Yeah, that's a really nice box. Loving that. Yeah, so that's it there. So there's a space for the hard drive to go in and the battery pack as well. And I think you can plug in accessories too. It's got the protective screen on it, so we'll just move that to one side. We'll see if we can take this out. Like that. And then there's a welcome thing and a little manual, so we'll just have a look at that. Business card. Quick start guide. Checklist of what you've got in the box. Connect and power up. So that's just a general description of what you get. And there's two little boxes down here, so we'll see what's in this one first. And that is the caddy that you put your SSD in. So they supply you with a caddy, which then slots in like that. So that's kind of cool that you get that. You don't get a drive with it, but you do get a caddy to put one in. There's a power brick. It's got a, that's nice. Because in here we have a whole collection of different pins for different sockets. So that's the UK one, which goes in like that. And I'm kind of hoping that if I press that, oh, yes, loving that. So when you get your power brick with your different adapters for different countries, when you click yours in, this has got a really nice button to just release it. Oh, thank God for that, because some of them are very hard to, undo. So if you do take it, move it around, or you go to resell it or something, it's very hard to get. Yeah, oh, brilliant. Maybe a bit too enthusiastic about that, but nonetheless, it is a good thing. That box is now empty. So we'll see what's in this second box here. Well, it all comes out. There's a bit of packing material there, which is cardboard, part of the way the box is made. So we'll just move that out of the way. And the last bit is basically that, which is that's the mains adapter. So that actually screws in. I mean, that's a proper. Yeah, that's no messing that is. Look at that. It's got a screw on it to fasten it in. I don't know why you didn't see that, but that's pretty impressive. So that will fit on where the battery pack is, I guess. Sort of playing it by ear a bit, really, winging it. Yeah, that's it in. So then the mains adapter goes on there. So if you haven't got the battery pack, you plug that in and it screws in. Yeah, that's quite robust. I'm quite liking that. So we'll just take that apart if I can without breaking it. And that should just slide out, I guess. Quite stiff. This is a release catch. Oh, there's a release catch. Duh. So I'll press that in. Ah, yeah, that's easier. So yeah, one of my rules is the two-finger rule, basically. So when you're trying something new, if you always use two fingers, you can't break anything, because the forces that you apply with two fingers aren't sufficient to break anything if you're putting things in the wrong hole. If you sort of lean on it and give it a shove, then of course it will go in and you'll break stuff. So 2 fingers. More on that in some of my other videos. But anyway, yeah, so let's peel this off and have a look at the screen. So that's a pretty funky screen, and there's a mount there for a tripod. And then you've got HDMI in and out. And you've got microphone and headphones, and there's a remote thing there as well. Interesting. And of course there's a power button. So that's the Ninja V. Pretty funky, I think. I'm going to use it to record screens better for when I'm working on laptops and computers. I can, because some of the videos I've made, I just film the screen and it's not great. So this should improve the quality of that no end. But if you've got any questions or any comments, then obviously stick them in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching.